Hello, it's Bonnie, and I've got two boxes that just arrived, and I'm so excited. I'm going to unwrap or unbox them in front of you here. I took off, or I opened up this one, but I haven't actually started pulling out all these popcorns yet. I thought I'd better video this. Here's the bag where I started emptying it in, and this is part of my surprise display. Oh, I just hope they're not broken. That would be a real travesty. Because, you know, it's coming from, actually, this came from the UK, and look at how they packed it. They've done a good job. So hopefully there's nothing wrong. Oh my God. You can see what it is. I've got a display going, and I've been waiting for these to arrive because I can't get them anywhere in town or on Vancouver Island. Look. Oh my God. Oh! I hope everybody knows what it is. It's cornishware. That's the tea. I didn't realize they were so big. This is, what's this one? The sugar. Look at that. Oh my God. And this one is the coffee. Oh my God. Okay, let's put the box away. And let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to use my mom's little suture scissors or Band-Aid scissors, and that'll get in there pretty easily, but I got to put the video down. So I'll just unwrap them a little bit and then I'll show you what I've got. Okay, there's the first one. Ooh, looks good. Nothing broken. Look at that. Oh my God. And that's clover leaf, which is one of the little bit more recent patterns of TG green, but it is authentic TG green cornishware. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, here's the second one. And that one looks good too. Looks very good. No cracks, nothing broken. And Brandy's barking in the background. Wow. There we go. There's the tea. Tea and coffee, perfect condition. Okay. Hopefully 3 for 3 here. I'll just undo this one. Okay, here's the sugar. And that one looks good. Same. I have to say, they've done a pretty good job wrapping. And there's the sugar. So they've done a pretty good job. I can't believe they all came here without any chips, cracks from Great Britain. And what I paid for these on eBay was $89.99 Great British pounds for all three. And the reason I did that is because I was seeing the individual ones were selling for $79 plus shipping each. So I figure I got basically 3 for the price of 2 when you convert the Great British pounds to Canadian or US or whatever, and then you pay for shipping on top for multiple orders. So I'm really happy, and look at that, and that's going to be fantastic. So stay tuned, because my surprise, which is no longer a surprise, is coming soon, and you will see my display of cornishware. So this is the second box that arrived, and I haven't started it opening it all yet. I just blacked out my address. But it just arrived at the same time as the other box. I can't believe they both arrived on the same day. I ordered them about a week apart. And let me get this top part off. Okay, I got the top part off, and now I gotta rip off more. I decided to get out the knife, and I just cut the 3 sides. Oh my goodness. A box within a box. What the heck? Okay, now I gotta open up that box. Okay, yet again, I cut the 3 sides. All right, what have they done now? Okay, this one's coming from the States. I can't remember where it was. Oh, I hope it's okay. Okay. Oh boy, these are the specialty items that you can't get anywhere, and sometimes it's just worth buying it. And then I always try to get them on sale so then I can resell them if I want to later. But I'm thinking I'm keeping these. These are special ones that will last forever and be part of my collections. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm going to move this box. There shouldn't be anything else in there. Put that stuff away. Wow, lots of wrapping for one item. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Wow. There we go. The bowl is intact. Yahoo! Sorry for my enthusiasm, but I'm really excited. So that's great. And it's a 10-inch TG green bowl. It's got the older trademark stamp on it. And it's the original blue and white. Matches perfectly the other ones. I should mention that bowl I got on eBay for $89.99 US, and I saw one just the other day selling for $200. I think that's a good deal. I know that cornishware is highly collectible. It's so hard to find here on Vancouver Island. I think this is going to be a special collection just to use and keep and enjoy for years. I'm really happy, and I'm going to be showing you guys my cornishware display hopefully really soon. So take care, and we will see you again soon. Thanks.